Welcome to Megazone. Megazone is a fun and active laser game. Players will be divided into different colored teams, after which players will move to the equipment room. Vest and phaser. Put on the game vests and attach the clips together at the front of the vest. You can either tighten or loosen the vest from the straps on the side. A laser gun is attached to the vest. The weapons are pre-named. When you hold the weapon in your hands and press the trigger once, you can see your player name. Hold on to the gun with both hands, one hand on the trigger and the other covering the sensor at the front of the gun. If your hand is not on top of the sensor, you will not be able to shoot. If you are holding the gun wrong, then the vest will give you warning lights and sounds. Beginning the game. As the game begins, each team will move to their bases by following a route marked with their own team color. Wait inside the base for the game vest lights to turn on. The objective of the game is to collect points by hitting the opponent's vest, gun, or destroying the enemy bases. The team that has collected the most points wins. A shot on the shoulder or gun deactivates the gun for 3 seconds, but your vest can still be shot. A shot on the chest or back deactivates the game vest for 8 seconds. 3 shots in a row on the shoulder or gun deactivates the game vest for 8 seconds. When you have been shot in the game, remove yourself from the line of fire. When your lights reactivate, you can continue playing. Arena and equipment. Each team has their own base. By destroying the opponent's base, you can get 2001 points. Each player can destroy both opponent bases once per game. The base is destroyed by shooting at the blinking lights inside the base square until you hear the explosion sound and the lights deactivate. If you do not hear the explosion sound, the base has not been destroyed and you will not receive points from the base. Only one player at a time can destroy a base. Pickup pad is a platform with special features. Step between the discs and select which feature you would like to use on the touchscreen of the gun. The feature can be used for a short period of time. You can conquer the zone gate for your own team by shooting at the gate's target. When a team has conquered the gate, it will change to that team's color. When an opposing player walks through a conquered gate, the game vest will deactivate for 8 seconds. The conquering team's players can move freely through the gate. Safety rules. Megazone is a safe laser game. In order to guarantee a fun experience, follow safety regulations. Rule breakers can be removed from the game. Touching another player, disturbing others, following ugly or offensive language, and covering another player's gun is forbidden. Always observe where you are shooting, especially when shooting around the corner. The arena has ramps and other height differences. Be sure to mind your step. Running, crawling, crouching and climbing are for safety reasons unconditionally forbidden. If you witness rule breaking or you have problems with the functionality of your game vest, let the staff know immediately. When the game ends, the music will stop and the vest lights will deactivate. Return to the equipment room using your team's colored door, which leads to the correct vest rack. If you continue playing, proceed to the lobby where you can look at the scoreboard. If you stop playing, make sure to look at your player name from the weapon screen and return the vest to the same colored vest rack and take all your personal belongings with you before moving to the lobby. The lobby scoreboard will show your team's ranking and your own points next to your player name. All points are available as a printout. This is the game arena map. The map shows all team bases and emergency exits. Emergency exits are marked with green signal lights and directional arrows. Have a fun game! The battle is not on the street.